Today we'll be reviewing the HawksHead Moto Track Cruiser 2 motorcycle TPMS system. When you purchase this system, you will receive one monitor capable of monitoring both bike tires, one handlebar monitor mount, a USB charging cord and adapter, two micro sensors already labeled and pre-coded, two different sensor cap removal tools, a sensor locking tool and sensor locks, and operating instructions. Next, I will show you powering on your system and the basic pressure and temperature alarm setup.
The monitor comes with a basic charge, but will need a full charge of approximately 4 hours before you can set up your system.
Press and hold the power button until the monitor illuminates. Press and hold both the code and power button until the monitor beeps to go to the setup mode. Here you will have the choice between PSI and bar. Using the plus and minus buttons, choose your setting and press both buttons to save. Now you will set the high pressure alarm for the first tire. Using the plus and minus buttons, set it to your appropriate setting and press both buttons to save. Now you will set the low pressure alarm for the same tire. Using the plus and minus buttons, set it to your appropriate setting and press both buttons to save. Now you will repeat these steps to set the high and low pressure alarms for the rear tire. You will now set the high temperature alarm for both tires. Using the plus and minus button, set your appropriate setting and press both buttons to save. Using the plus and minus buttons, choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit and press and hold both buttons until the monitor beeps to return to the running mode. Next, we will install the pre-coded and pre-labeled micro sensors. To start adding your sensors, first ensure your system is on. Then take the first pre-labeled, pre-coded microsensor and add it to your tire valve. There is no need to move between tires. Simply take the second pre-coded, pre-labeled microsensor and attach it to your tire valve. Once finished, please allow up to 5 minutes for all information to appear on the monitor. We also suggest you move the motorcycle to ensure all information is updated on the monitor. To attach the monitor to the handlebar mount, simply attach it to the small hole located on the back of the monitor and tighten until finger tight. Swivel the monitor until it's facing the right side up. You can now attach the handlebar mount to your motorcycle. Simply loosen the large screw located to the rear of the handlebar mount to your desired size. Once adjusted to the appropriate size, attach it to your handlebars and tighten the screw until finger tight. The monitor is easily detached from the handlebar mount by unscrewing it from the top of the handlebar mount. This is to allow you to take it with you whenever the motorcycle is not in use.
Thank you for watching. All of our products and information can be found at our website.